Good morning. Today's tip of the day is repairing a cast iron block. And what I'm doing here is I use brass. We use brass to repair this ear off of here because it's a lot less invasive. This is a FE Ford and it's a restoration. It's still standard bore. We're just basically doing a restoration to a standard bore, everything staying standard. So I don't want to put this in the furnace. I can do furnace welding, but we don't want to be as invasive. So this is an excellent way to repair cast iron because you don't have to get it as hot. And one of the things that you want to do, there will be a YouTube video how I repaired it. If you want to watch that YouTube video, I got to get busy and edit it. But you don't have to get it as hot when you're doing this. What you're basically doing is just getting it hot enough for it to open up the pores and accept the brass into the pores. You don't want to get it cherry red or it will remove all the carbon, and cast iron without carbon is no bueno. Anything without carbon is no bueno. We kind of think that carbon is bad and carbon is actually good. I don't know who I'm looking at, but you know who I'm looking at and you know who I'm talking to. So, all right, tip of the day, I also made a little jig off of another FE block. This is the little template right there to make sure that I have enough there to work with. All right, I better get busy shaping this and I may come back on and show you how I shaped it. Tip of the day, use brass and braze cast iron as opposed to getting invasive and getting it too hot. Some of you old timers out there can weld with a stick welder really, really good. I would clap, but I only have one hand, and I know who you are and you're awesome. All right, let's get back to work. See you on the next one. Tip of the day.